In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily leave Discord server on your iPhone or Android. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first of all open up Discord app, and then if you can't find your servers list, you can tap at that icon first, and that will show you the list of your servers here at the left. Then you can just open up some server, and then in order to leave it, all you have to do is just hit at these three dots next to server's name, then scroll down and hit at leave server. That's how it's done. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.